Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google AdSense account payments settings, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google AdSense account. Navigate to the payments section from the left-hand menu. Check for any notifications or alerts regarding your payment settings. Click on payment information to review your current settings. Ensure that your payment method is set up correctly. If necessary, click on Add Payment Method to input new information. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account or payment details. Verify that your payment address is correctly listed. Make adjustments if your address is outdated or incorrect. Once all details are entered, save your changes. You may need to complete verification for any new payment methods. Look for an email from Google regarding verification. Respond to any verification requests promptly. Return to the Payments section to confirm that your updated settings are active. If your account is under a hold, review the details provided by Google. Address any issues mentioned in the hold notification. Seek assistance through the AdSense Help Center if needed. Check for a confirmation email once your settings are restored. Once confirmed, monitor your account for successful payments. Stay informed about any updates to policies affecting payments. Regularly check the Payments section for any changes or notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.